How to change the password of your user manager account in Godaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into Godaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to this cPanel Settings page. In this cPanel Settings page, click and enter User Manager under the Preferences section. In the User Manager page, click the Change Password link under the user account you want to update. Next, on this page, you can change the password either by generating a random password or by typing your own custom password for the User Manager account. Once you enter the new password in both fields, click Save to update the changes. And done, changing the User Manager password in Godaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.